Sabinus, right?
Yes, ma.
Okay. What position are you comfortable with?
Ma, me, I like doggy.
Doggy what?
Like from the back.
What position are you comfortable with in this company?
Oh, Jesus, me and doggy, see no problem. Now, wow. Me and doggy, God.
Hello my people, what's the song? It's your boy OBIKING and I'm back again with what I do best, comedy reaction. So this is going to be very short, so make sure you watch to the very end and tell me what you think about the video. You understand? Subscribe if you're yet to do that, guys, please, it's very important. So don't play, let's go have some fun.
Baby, I would never leave.
Guys, my baby's coming.
Okay.
Oga, don't make that mistake.
What's going on here?
Say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes.
Babe, will you marry me?
Say yes, say yes, say yes.
What's going on here?
Oluwa, take the ring. Because you don't knock person boyfriend yesterday finish. What? Now your boy still lack pass. Take him.
Ben, are you cheating on me?
Yes, he's cheating on you.
So you're cheating on me?
That was in the past. I can explain.
And you are here in my house. Say yes.
Before you slap him, talk who give you belly. Stop using pet time.
Babe, calm down, right? I'm explaining to you, please calm down.
And you?
Which guy want me to be?
Ask your grandfather.
Okay, why you say go cheat?
Now this one where they shall say yes, now you pay me pass.
That won't pay you. Imagine the main girlfriend, their mind carry another man picking. Call me her man. Hey, but that shall never end.
How did you know all this? Say something!
I got why they shot for me. How my fault?
I wonder.
How you imagine?
Update.
This one a big man.
My guy.
Chama.
Sorry.
Yes, welcome.
How are you?
Wait.
Start the trip.
Okay.
Right. Take.
Waiting be this.
Chama, for waiting.
I just want to use that one, just show you love.
They give me wine.
Yes.
You know me before.
Boss, now you order for my ride, boss.
I know.
Thank you. Yeah, I tell you something.
Technology.
Since I don't start this work, nobody don't dash me anything. Even though Byro, nobody don't dash me.
The earlier you learn to be who you are,
See God, though.
Back now. Do you have bottled water?
Yeah, what bottled water?
Please give me one bottled water, then one Coke. Then give the driver whatever I want.
What type of plane is this?
Okay, Oga, what you want?
Neighbor.
May I buy it to Chama? Yes, now.
not do.
Boss, I mean, if you do one favor for me.
What's that?
Continue.
I mean, if you send my cab money before I buy anything. Okay, you want me to transfer your money to you first?
My guy gets sense.
You people have trust issues.
Okay.
Call your account
My
number.
guy gets sense.
Thank you, boss. 24. Cents. Boss, so you say my buy it like?
Yes, buy whatever you want. I'll pay.
Alpha, what did they do?
Let's watch this video.
This one. You get brain.
But you don't get sense.
How much is everything?
Okay.
Oh, 30K.
God, I beg you. God will pay.
If I go ask my papa if I reach house, he get one man where I carry today.
Continue.
He do waiting my papa never do for me before. I mean, this is one way they show me love. They buy me things like this. For this country. I mean, I did safe.
Na better no refer friend promo.
Oh.
Now that one like this, they make me they get you.
Oh.
What you mean that?
Once you just refer people, they will give 1,000 naira each.
Wait, if I found one person, they will give me 1K.
But this thing no go end well.
Those
It's sure for me. You know go
they
end well.
deposit 3,000 naira.
You get up to 200K welcome bonus.
Once they just use the promo code talkless, and that's all. What's happen?
It be like say this car don't get issue. Sorry. I want 5% go help me push am.
Oh God. Now why?
Which kind of wall be this one now?
A few minutes later.
This man.
I don't carry the boys come.
Tell them they push him now so that the car will start.
Okay.
What you have say not to do the car.
So you mean the car no spoil?
Not to do the car now for the referral, sir.
Oh, you don't need to bring them come here now. They fit do them online now.
No, they fit do it like this. After I'm gonna come.
What be this?
I chairman with that too. So guys, are you active or you're not active?
We are active.
Ajay, we are active, boss. Only do it like this sharp.
Now phone that they use now talk less. Why you not get sense like this? Good things don't now phone. It's okay, his family.
Mama, I'm leaving already. I just sent you some money.
Again? But the one you said is still remaining now.
And
Hey! Thank you, my son.
Mama.
God bless you.
This boy Momo. I saw the madness next start too. I like this is madness next start. The dance of a madman is only fun and the act of
Sabinus, right?
yes, ma.
Okay. What position are you comfortable with?
Me, I like Doggy.
Doggy what?
Like from the back.
What position are you comfortable with in this company?
Oh, Jesus, me and Doggy see no problem. Me and Doggy. God, what you want to do me, Jesus, my son.
That's what you do.
I have someone who Let's
Young man, listen to me. This is the very first and last time I will tell you to stay away from my daughter. Hey! This is a cash of 10 million naira in dollars. The next time I see you close to my daughter, I will castrate you. I will cut that thing off in between your two legs. Jesus. Who's taking it?
10 million.
10 million naira in dollars.
Come on, you go.
Oh, cut this camera. What's all this? Kiriku, you're not supposed to take the money. You're supposed to reject the money.
Where? If now you go, Jotter.
Kiriku, you're not supposed to collect the money now. You're supposed to follow the script. For text, she say, the love what I get for your daughter. This money no fit buy her.
Money if you buy anything. You have to have for sufferness.
Oh, come, young man. We are not here to do. Let's finish what we started.
This is a joke, get my face. But I think I be comedian. Or I call your cocoa joke.
You are talking to me. Are you talking to me?
Move. Who tell you?
But money not inside the bag now.
More than I value the money.
Can I eat in my kitchen again?
Are you in the basi? Have you your kitchen? If it's kitchen, I'll be begging you that I want to eat there.
Ooh, rubbish.
I'm going to buy it in Otunba's house.
Go now, go! That's how you eat this nonsense up and down. Come back, go.
Oh, you think you can protect me? Malo Jonka, I'm meeting outside. What's your problem?
Otunba,
Hey, bro.
what's going on here?
So I'm just checking in for Victoria. I try to come and check your place. Mbekulawa.
You dey when?
Even for me.
Ìyá ti fẹ́ fọ́ orí anybody.
And this has been a good house. Very good job.
Wá gàrí mu.
Mo fẹ́ mú kí ni go ṣe é nípa mi náà. I'm hungry.
Frustration ti fẹ́ bà ayé wọn jẹ́.
See, guys, fuck granite. Okay, it's okay now.
Gàrí ni sá. Bàbá ti rọ́ mi sí tó fi ṣúgà sí. Bàbá parí.
This is Otunba na mumu.
I am coming to China next week, yeah. And I'm about to go next week, yeah.
You can run, but you cannot hide from me. How dare you? How dare you run away when I told you that you will marry me? You must marry me. You are my husband. You cannot run away from me. You must marry me.
Asiasia, you are a liar. You are a very big liar. When you fetch your or chichini here.
You get it?
Oh, chichini here. And when Meko, I will never marry you.
Ta! How dare you? How dare you say that to me? Do you know who I am? You have the effort to talk back at me. Let me warn you, young man. You can run, but you cannot hide from me. No matter where you go in this world, you will see me. Until you come to my shrine and marry me, you will keep seeing me and you will not have peace. I say so.
Asiasia, you are getting mad, yeah. It's never possible. No man walk, Rogia.
You get it?
Then I will show you the reason why I am called Ezendi Ezenwine. Ezenwine Gen Z. I am not an ordinary Ezenwine.
Tio?
Hey!
Jesus! Huh?
Jesus.
Huh? Hey! Jesus. Come on. Nigga, get here. This one here. This here, mama. Which kind of nonsense be this here? Give me back my dick, yeah. Eh? Which kind of spiritual attack be this here? I am not the person you will do. You will do spiritual attack with. Net here, mama. Nigga, get here. I will shout to them mother back to the baby. Net here, mama.
Darling.
You're not carrying thing, come on.
Sorry, my boss sent me on an errand.
Alright, that's alright. No, just give me your number.
0812.
0812 what? 0812 what? Did I ask for your number?
I'm here telling you about CoinStick. You're telling me 08 what?
I said CoinStick is the platform where you trade your cryptocurrencies and also pay your local bills. And they don't even charge anything at all. Other apps, they will charge you up to $2. But this CoinStick doesn't charge. It is free. That's what I was telling you. If you cover me, what do you mean by 0812? Go and download CoinStick. It's on iOS and Play Store. Nonsense. Oh, sorry, I thought you were my wife. No, Misha. I'm so sorry. I thought she was my wife. Please give me the number now. Don't mind me.
What? Is this the errand I sent? What are you doing here? Sorry, my sis guy that asked for my number. Which guy? This guy.
Which guy?
Baby, did you just ask for her number?
Did I?
She just said you did.
She did?
Yes, you did. I was there.
What the fuck?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I don't understand you again.
God,
Long charger.
Let's what did you do?
All of them are just move.
Let's what.
Hey, remove our blur. Where?
Now me get the phone.
Which your phone?
Who got this phone?
It's my phone.
Okay.
I just came out from here now and I was pressing my phone. It's my phone.
You still on your phone?
Yes.
I put the pin. Tell me the pin.
25022.
They go wrong.
Take off for native. Hola.
Good.
Tell me small thing.
Don't worry, I will give you. Don't worry, I get money.
Oh, don't go ever leave
Kiriku, now no be so they plan and I still tell you the password, we go come wrong.
Who are you to do now? I bet shift.
If you see anything, I'll weigh you 1,000. Now you will know the difference between sleeping in guard room and your normal room.
Yo.
It is in a
Keep it up for your hand.
Something way bad for this.
God have mercy upon us.
I home delivery. They will build and finish, come carry and keep for land. It's not possible now.
Jesus. What thing be this? Apa, now here the show they happen. Now here they get them clear.
You never see anything.
Now Bino.
Okay.
Mugu walandika.
Condom.
That's what supposed to do. They come talent out.
Jesus.
They play.
My boss
overtaking the overtaker. Village people to take over.
You get a map, yeah now.
What
be this? I said get out of this place.
I know you to be a good musician. What happened? Inside there, I don't know what happened. You sounded like premature goat and boy chicken at the same time. This talent thought is not for me. Man!
What?
I'm going to look for another job.
Okay.
Nah, so bro, now like this village people they pursue people.
The boss, he don't start car business. So.
For where?
Jesus.
What?
What be this?
Jesus.
So you don't walk out.
What's going on here?
Are you book me, Abby?
What?
Hey.
You never see anything.
You are fired.
Start work, Oga. That's the only work never even start work. Will you marry me?
No.
Jesus.
What? Come on, Balo.
Send that ball. What be this?
Get out. I said get out. Move on, son. Everybody pause. I think we're getting this thing wrong. This is our bloodline. We should guide and support his career.
I been not forget lying because of this boy before.
I will never start work. Now to call the neighboring village, may they help us kill this boy because I don't see why not he die. What be this? Maybe to become pilot.
No, they're serious. You know, see you Bado, you know, see the musician do. Now, pilots you won't go become. But in all honesty, you see this particular video now, this last one you guys just watched now. This thing happens. It happens. See, when your village people are after you, it's not even about village people. Like, it's not even only village people. If people they pursue you, like someone is tampering with your destiny, and all, now like this is the view. Anything where you do, you know go work out. There's nothing you will lay your hands on that will work. It happens to a lot of people. See person where I be sing. If you go grab microphone, may sing, they will hear another thing. It happens. It really happens. So many spirits did this life. Oh, I'm telling you, this thing this guy did here now is more than just comedy. This is reality. These are people's reality. You go see somebody now, they walk. You hear say don't do this one, do this one, do this one, do this one. Nothing work. Most of them are like this, so now spirits they follow them up and down. You understand? So we got to be careful. You have to be very careful. And I'm saying this because of people who are also going through stuff like this. Go know what you go do because you know be ordinary. You feel me? So thanks for watching and check out my other videos. You understand? Check out my other videos. Make sure you're subscribed. Drop nice comments. You understand? And also tell me your favorite parts of the video. You understand? I would really love to know what your favorite part of this video is. You feel me? So see you the next time, my people. Peace out.